Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you jump starter and air inflator and deflator. Let's check some of the features. This is spark proof, reverse polarity protection, 12 volt lithium, 9.0 liter gas, 3000 ampere, that's the peak, 7.0 liter diesel. Here are some of the specifications. Let's check the application areas: bowls, bicycles, motorcycles, vehicle, airbags, vacuum storage. It has tire pressure detection, unit switching bar and PSI, preset value, auto stopping. Let's check the box. Here's the user manual. Check this out. It's a little bit heavy. USB-A and USB-C. Here are some of the specifications. It has non-slippery legs. Here is the area for the jumper. These are all other attachments. Here is the bag. Hose. Let's check all the attachments for different types of applications. Air hose. And these are for the jumper, positive and negative. Since the peak is 3000 amperes, and this is working for 9.0 liter gas and 7.0 liter diesel, that's why these are a little bit bigger, as you can see. USB-C to USB-C charging cable. These are some of the heads for bowls, bicycles, etc. Let's check air intake. We're just gonna put this over here and turn it to the right. Now we're good to go. The next thing is we're gonna use this to screw it right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. We can go ahead and pump it. Press. This is air outlet. This is air inlet. If you're using air intake, the air is gonna come from here and get out from here. There's a deflator. Let's take it out and put it right there. Now we're inflating from this side, as you can see, air outlet. Let's turn it on, press and hold. That's good. This is mode 1. Let's go to mode 2. That's for the car. We're gonna use this air hose. That's great. Now we can go ahead and turn it on, press and hold. Stop it. Mode 2, bicycle, motorbike, and bowl. Car, bicycle, motorbike, and bowl. You can change the unit, bar, or PSI. And we're gonna go back here. We have 4 pump adapters and we have 4 tire nozzle adapters. Let's try to use one of them. This is very easy. You're just gonna open this area, put it inside, and close it. How about the pump? We're just gonna go ahead and screw it there. That's it. If you want to jump the car, go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. And then we're gonna go ahead and connect this right over here. Automatically it's gonna start. Let's see. When you put it on the car, it's gonna let you know When you see green, that means it's ready. I have a circuit probe over here, and I'm gonna go ahead and test out the jumper voltage in amperes. I'm gonna go ahead and test the jumper voltage, how many volts it's gonna give. I already did the connection and everything. Right now, let's put the negative right over here. Basically, we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Now it's on. You need to press and hold for 5 seconds. Then it's gonna be, now it's in the jump mode. It says 15.1 right now. Let's go ahead and check it out here. How many volts is giving? Now it's 15 volts. Whenever you plug it in to the car, it's gonna jump with 15 volts. You see? When you're done with everything, go ahead and turn it off. That's it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some air. Putting it is very easy. You're just gonna put it there and push it. Let's see, 30 psi. Let's make it 32 psi. And start it. Press and hold. And we're gonna go ahead and start it. Whenever it's 32, it's gonna shut it down by itself. That's it. Turns off. Shut it down by itself. Then take it out. How about the LED light right there? We're just gonna press and hold. It's gonna turn on. Check this out. Very powerful. And press one more time. Decreasing and flashing. SOS. Definitely suggest this product because we have pump option. You can inflate or deflate, and also tire inflator, and we have also jump starter. The last thing is we have powerful LED lights. Definitely suggest it.